Hey guys, this is Praita from PrettyCraftyTales. Look what's here. This is Feb 2020 kit from Happie Scrappie, and I thought I had lost it and I won't ever get it, but I did get it today, and it was actually shipped on March 20. So it did take a long time, but I am totally okay with that. Because of COVID, I guess it was stuck somewhere. I did not even check the shipping because I was pretty sure once everything, all the mail gets jammed, probably I'll lose this. But it came today, and I'm so happy. First of all, this envelope is really pretty. I think one of the previous boxes had this envelope, I'm not sure, but I really love this. And it has this sticker which I am going to remove. I was able to open this envelope without damaging this, and I feel there are a lot of freebies in this kit, and I'm not sure which ones are the freebies. I of course removed them from the packaging, but yeah, still I'm not sure, but I think there are a lot of extra things here. And then this is the pen. Okay, I'll just write it and show. It writes really well, almost like Muji pen, and it's pretty. And these are the sticky notes. Oh, I wrote it upside down. Anyway, these are the sticky notes. Oh sorry, it's actually a notepad, not sticky notes. Yeah, these are really cute. I am not sure what's with the light blue color. And these are all the die cuts, foiled die cuts. I really like this paper, it's really smooth. I'm sure there are already many videos of unboxing of this kit, but I thought I will do this because I was really excited, and I wanted to show this on Instagram stories as usual, but I was sure it's going to take a long time, and instead of uploading on stories or IGTV, I thought might as well upload a YouTube video, because I don't really upload so many YouTube videos. So yeah, this is really cute. And then these are decorative stickers from the other kit. What's the name? Sakura kit, I guess. And I don't know from which kit this is, but it's so pretty. It's kind of matte gold. If you know this is from which kit, please let me know, because I had never seen matte gold before, and I think I love this better than the regular gold. I think these are the freebies. I'm not sure if the sticky, no, I don't think that is a freebie. And these are some cards. I guess you can use them as washi cards, but I won't be wrapping any washi tape because I don't want to hide these pretty designs. Then these are stickers. I have a dated planner. I am using Hobonichi Cousin currently. Yeah, so that's a dated planner, but I might still use these stickers in that. Why is it not focused? Or maybe in my journal or somewhere. These are so cute. These are cute tabs. I really love these checklists. I don't use checklists so much, but I love, and I super love this. Look at the shine. Glitter rather. Really pretty. Then these are some journaling cards. Even this paper is really smooth. I really love this one and this one. I'm sorry, there's a bit of shadow from my camera. And this is a folder. It's so pretty. These are the papers, so these are vellums. There are 2 designs. I really loved how it's light pink on the back side. So my phone's battery is really low. I am trying to hurry up. Double-sided paper, so cute. I feel like making notebooks out of these papers so that I can see the entire design every time I use my notebook, or I can just display the notebook. These are super cute. I really love these stickers. The design for this box is so cute. I am so glad I did not lose this box. It's so pretty. So yeah, and then I'll be removing out these 2 stickers as well. And yeah, that's all from this kit, and I really loved it. I can't wait to use it in my planner and my journal. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.